That is our Monday evening dinner. Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that the self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
With your support, we know we can achieve these goals.
Good evening and welcome back. Tonight is Monday night and continuing on our series about prepping a month's meal plan. We will quickly cook our easy Monday night meal, which is the spicy chicken fillets with roasted veg, and that's where the meal plan stops for me. But for those who aren't trying to lose weight, if they crave their carbs, welcome to have a bread roll or some rice or
Mashed potatoes.
or whatever with it. For me, I'm sticking to the chicken fillet and roasted veggies.
Yeah.
In one of the previous videos, you have seen me prep the spicy chicken fillets, which is just fillets, chicken fillets seasoned with your preference of spices and then chili flakes.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have the grocery frozen veg packet here that we will cook from frozen and roast it in the oven.
That's it.
That's it. But yeah, the typical roasted veg. We opted for something without potato though. But I think there's some green beans, some carrots, some squash or pumpkin.
That's it.
I don't know if it's got cauliflower or... Is this the right one? Let's check what else is there. Or we can go for more of a summer mix. We have some zucchini, some squash, some beans, carrots. And there's another one with broccoli and cauliflower. So which one do you prepare for tonight?
Let's just check. I need this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's summer meats.
Yeah. Okay, so first things first, we will be preheating the oven to about...
Well, on high.
Yeah, we'll do it on high and go from there.
And the skillet
Will also be preheated, that must also be hot before you put your chicken fillets on.
Okay. So preheating the skillet and preheating the oven. Then in an oven pan, We just quickly dump our veg from frozen. Into the oven pan.
Like these baby marrows as well.
Yeah. And then just drizzle them with some oil. I'll ask wifey to season it.
Pinch of salt. A little bit more than just a pinch, but
Salt to taste.
salt to taste, yeah. Some coarse black pepper. And then we're also going for some mixed herbs.
Yeah, and then you just give it a good mix to try and coat all the sides of the veggies. Maybe add a drizzle of oil more. Thank you.
Yeah.
If you think you need a bit more seasoning a bit later, you can add to taste when your veggies is cooked. And you can also, after it's cooked, add, drizzle a bit of balsamic vinegar or a vinaigrette of your choice. Okay, this goes to the oven for about, I'll say maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah, factory.
Well, there's no potatoes in there, so it might be quicker. Okay, so over here we can see our skillet is nice and hot. It's starting to smoke. So what we want to do now is, on this hot skillet, we want to sear our chicken fillets. Okay, don't worry that your chicken sticks to the skillet. As soon as it's seared on the other side, it will release from the cast iron. And now we turn it and let it sear on the other side. Okay, so I turned it to low heat now. It is seared on both sides. We just want to make sure that the chicken cooks all the way through. Okay, and as with any chicken, we want to try and get an internal temperature of about 75, 80. Okay, so we've reached 70. I'm going to switch off at this point, knowing that letting it rest on the skillet, it will cook a bit further. And just because I trust sight more than technology, let's take another piece. Nicely clean. And it seems perfectly cooked to me on the inside. Check on the veggies. Okay, being satisfied that it's cooked, I'm going to move my chicken off of the hot skillet and onto the cutting board. So you can rest for a few minutes. Just let them rest a while. Well, it's hot. And I just want to finish it off with a splash of lemon juice and a little bit of dry thyme. There we go. That looks awesome. It smells perfect. Okay, so it's time to plate. Just say me.
Ja, nice.
Hoeveel groente wil je?
Verkeer alsjeblieft.
Just say me.
Wayne,
Really?
Wayne,
Okay.
Wayne.
Zit er? Okay.
And there we go. That is our Monday evening dinner. Although my wife and daughter has hardly any vegetables, Lucian and I will enjoy it. Thank you very much for spending time with us today, and I hope you found some value in this. And yeah, it's been a long day for me. Doing quite a few videos and recipes. So yeah, I just want to end the video here and want to let you know how much we appreciate you and we love you. God bless you. Goodbye.
Bye.
There we go. Bye.